Welcome to ASK Tutorials. This is our C programming series and we are learning C pointers. In this video we are going to learn about the array of pointers. If you have not seen our previous videos, then watch it. Link is given into the description box. Now let's get started with the video. This is a simple example of array which holds and 3 integers. Here we declare the array name is a var, which holds the elements, 3 elements inside a curly bracket. And when we'll execute this program, we will get an output like this. The value of at a 0th position, at the first position, at the second position. The array elements will be displayed here. We can get the same output by using a pointer. We will see now. Here arrays of a pointer, we are used arrays with a pointer here. We declared a first an array with the elements, then we declared the integer and pointer, then we gave a for statement there, and inside a for we declared the ptr of I is equal to ampersand var of I, which assigns the address of an integer. Then we gave the second for statement there. Inside that we are given a printf statement, value of a var means value of a array, it will display there. When we will execute this program, we will get an output like this, where value of a var at a 0th position is a 10, at the first position is a 100, and at the second position is a 200. Like this we will get an output. Now we will see how we got this output. First it will check the for condition there. Here for condition is I is lesser than max is true, because I is equal to 0 and max is equal to 3. So condition gets true there. So ptr of I will assign I is equal to ampersand var of I, that is ptr of 0 is equal to ampersand var of 10. It will get the assign the integer value there. Then at a second time we will get I is an increment there, so I is equal to 1 now, and condition is a true. So ptr of a first position, first address is equal to 100. Then again I is incremented and I is equal to 2 now. Condition is a true here. So now ptr of 2 is equal to 2. At a second address we got an element is a 200 there. Now I is incremented and I is a 3. Condition get fails here, so it will stop the execution, and it will stop there, and it will go to the second for statement. In the second for statement, I is equal to 0 and max is equal to 3 there. So I is less than max is a true, so it will print the value of a array at a 0th position. At the 0th position, which element is stored there, that will be displayed here. Then now I is incremented, I is equal to 1 and condition is true, so it will print the value of the array at a first position. Then I is incremented, I is equal to 2 now, and condition is true, so it will print the value of at a second position. Like this it will prints the value according to the position address. And now I is incremented, I is equal to 3 now, so condition get false and it will stop the execution here. This is how we used an array and pointers in a program. Now we will see one more program here, which is an array of pointers to character to store a list of strings. Here we are used a character type array which holds the name inside the array. We declared a name of a list there, and integer variable I is equal to 0. Then we gave a for statement there. Inside that we are going to print the value of a names and returning value as a 0. When we will execute this program, we will get output like this: the value of a name at a 0th position, at a 1st position, at a 2nd position, at a 3rd position. What are the names are stored according to their positions, means according to their address it will print the names. How this program is executed we will see here. First it will check the condition. Here the condition is a true because I is 0 and max is a 4. So condition I is less than max is true. So it will print value of a name at a 0th address is equal to Rita. Then again I is incremented. So I is less than max is true. So it will print value of a names at a 1st position, 1st address is equal to Raj. Then again I is incremented, condition is true, so it will print value of a names at a 2nd address is equal to George. Then I is incremented, I is less than max is true, so it will print value of a name at a 3rd position is equal to Mary, and condition gets true there, it will print. So again I is incremented and I is a 4 now, and I is less than max is a false here, so it will stop the execution. And this is how we use an array with the pointers for character type array. Thank you for watching the video.